And we're off! Alright, we are going on an adventure to go practice the routes of my motorcycle driving test. Oh, kitty cat. Hello, kitty kitty. My nose itches, but I remember from the last time not to itch it, so I'll just hit the glass. I smell Chinese. We have like 20 Chinese places in this small, tiny town.
Alright. Gear up, gear down, turn with your turn signal, and then gear up, and then I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay.
Need you to upshift, downshift, turn, upshift, and downshift.
Okay.
The next one is slow ride.
Okay.
Next one is pause
My
and go.
favorite.
Yeah, mine too. You can do it!
Oh! I put my foot down.
Hey, let's do that one again, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Much better. My foot did not go down.
It's okay, babe. Let's just try it one more time, okay?
Okay. Okay. I did it! Yay! Okay.
Everybody alright?
Everybody alright?
Alright, y'all good try now, man. Y'all good.
What'd you say? Try it again? Try it again?
No one there.
Okay. I hope this is what he was saying because I couldn't understand him. But I stayed within the cones and I did good.
You want to practice once more, or are you good?
Let's do once more.
Okay.
And then
All right.
please and thank you. Sorry to make you walk.
I'm gonna get these cones back right. Get heavier. The next test is the serpentine test.
Okay. Oh my God. I'm gonna need some Bengay tonight. This daggone bike is heavy.
You did really good on that one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Gear shift.
Up, down, turn, up, down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Damn it!
Alright, slow ride.
Okay. Pause and go. Pause
You
and
did really good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately, the next one is pause and go.
I love this one.
This is the best one.
All right, there we go. I hate pause and go. Do that one again, ma'am. All right, this is the last time, and then we'll go home. Yay! Betsy needs to lose some weight. Yes, I am very proud of myself for that. My husband was an excellent teacher. He pretended like he was doing it and told me to point to everything, like the oil reservoir and clutch and the brake and the rear brake. And then he said, "Where's the headlight?" I pointed at the switch. He's like, "No, honey, where's the headlight?" I'm like, "Oh." All right, I have practice tomorrow morning at 8:30. I will be going to take my motorcycle driving test, and I hope I pass it. If I can take 6 classes at a time, work full time, have 2 children, and be married, I think I could pass the motorcycle driver's test. Dude, but if I don't, I'm gonna be so upset. Alright, if I can pass this test, then that means that my husband and I can go riding whenever. We can just put the kids on the back. 71 yesterday. Winter weather advisory today. And I stalled it. Yay! Really? Jesus Christ! I'm getting too excited. I just need to relax and calm down. It's a little hard to.
Okay, before we get started, I'm going to call out some items and I'd like for you to locate them for me.
Okay.
First of all, I need to see your front brakes, if you'll locate that for me. Rear brakes, okay, your clutch, your throttle, the gear shift. Turn your bike on and let me hear your horn.
Help if I turn the key on too.
You need to see your signals back here. And your signals up here, your front signals. Other one. Your ignition.
My ignition.
The ignition, your choke. And your fuel valve.
My what?
The fuel valve. That's your fuel tank. It's a valve, cut-off valve. It's just a
My cutoff. It's right up in here.
It's under that manifold or something. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what it is right there. Okay, roll back and pull to the right of this cone here. We're going to get started.
Okay.
first maneuver you're going to do, you're riding straight up and down the course. About 1/3 of the way, you're upshift. About 2/3 of the way, you're downshift.
Okay.
Go out as much as you need to make your turn without putting your feet down. Come back, upshift, downshift, come back here and circle around and stop right where you are.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Got it?
Turn. Damn it, really? Hold the bike. Oh, come on. Oh. It's not right practicing. This is the real thing. So we need to do.
The next thing you do is called a pause and go, which means you're going to take off here. You're going to pause at the second cone, the fourth cone, and the sixth cone, which is every other cone going down. Come to a pause without having to put your feet down to support yourself.
Okay.
Okay, just to stand here. You'll turn around, go out as much as you need to make that turn without having to cut off or stop like you just
I know.
did. Come back, you're going to pause at the third cone and the sixth cone.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
3 pauses going down, with this being the first one.
And then 2 on the way back.
That's right, and the third one then.
I'm getting freaked out and I don't know why.
Serpentine weed. This is what you're doing. You're riding from left to right in the weed. You'll turn around, circle around, and come back and do the same weed left to right.
Okay.
Come back here and stop.
Okay.
Okay.
No. What's going on? I know. Okay. I was so nervous.
Next maneuver you're going to do is called the slow ride, which means it needs to take you at least 30 seconds. You're riding straight up and down the course without putting your feet down. Anything over 30 seconds is good, but at least 30. Okay, I'm going to time you, let you know when to begin.
Okay.
You can begin.
got my motorcycle license. I got my motorcycle license. This is the happy song, 'cause I got my motorcycle license. Got my motorcycle license, got my motorcycle license, got my motorcycle license. Yeah! That was horrible, y'all. Sorry. That was the happy song, though. And that needs to be zipped up more. Yay! Alright, now, what do we have to do? Oh, I tried to bite the glove so I could put it back on. I'm such a wingnut. Alright. We have got to hurry up to go get the wee children. And I am starving. I am so hungry. I got it. I failed on one of the tests. I failed. She only did 3. That was it. That's all she did. And there was 5 to choose from, and she did 3. I had to do the serpentine, which was perfect, magnificent. Couldn't have done it better myself. And I had to do the slow ride, which was perfect, magnificent. Couldn't have done it better myself. And then I had to do upshift, downshift, turn, upshift, downshift. That was it. And don't you know that on that upshift, downshift thing, I done stalled the daggone bike. And so I didn't finish it because I figured that I could redo it again. However, she didn't have me do it again. But I ain't complaining. I passed. I think she felt bad for me. I don't care. I passed. Alright. One humongous thing off my shoulders.